Everybody, Joseph Gazan with Eureka Business Group. You always hear me rave about the Dallas-Fort Worth market and why it's the best market in the country to invest in. I thought we're going to take 30 seconds just to look at the recent news that we have here just from the last 30 days. I don't know if you saw the news from today. Nvidia is reporting that they're going to start building their chips all over the US, and Texas obviously was chosen to be one of the targeted areas, Houston being one of the submarkets, and Dallas Texas is going to be the next market that they're going to start as well. Right here, Winston is going to be their manufacturing facility down in the Dallas area. Next, we have IKEA to open another store in Dallas this year. Next, we have another wellness company from Europe that is opening a big facility here in the Dallas market. That's adding to what we had a couple years ago news that Universal Studios is opening. Peppa the Pig opened a theme park. The PGA headquarters moved over here in the last couple of years. Liquid Stack adds another manufacturing facilities. Another Californian manufacturer. A lot of California businesses are moving to Texas in the last decade or so. Here's another one to open another headquarters in Plano, Texas. HEB, it's a local grocery store in Texas, and they are huge over here, and they keep adding more and more in North Texas. Denton is a suburb of Dallas that they just added another location. We have another global bakery that opens a plant in Texas. We have BJ making big moves. Right now, we only have Costco and Sam's Club prevail in the Dallas-Fort Worth market, but BJ is definitely making a big move into Texas. So what I wanted to show here is that we have a lot of news coming in. We have a lot of employment, and that is really what makes the Dallas-Fort Worth market so great, is that growth. And that growth is not based on hype. It's not based on rumors. It's not based on weather. It's all based on jobs. And what drives your economy is jobs. That means everything is going to be working, because the base layer, the economics, the foundation is there. On top of jobs, you have consumptions, you have people, you have more jobs. It's a cycle that keeps feeding itself, which makes the market a great market to invest in. So if you're looking to invest in the DFW market in commercial real estate, give me a shout out, Eureka Business Group. We're the retail navigator for the Dallas-Fort Worth market, and all of our contact details is in the notes.